So I'm gonna get the bike ready, going away the weekend on the Wales Castle Poker Chip Challenge. So something we've been arranging for a while, but yeah, there's Thunder. Gonna get him out and give a good wash, and yeah, do a little bit of maintenance.
Another ride beyond the hill. Hands in grease, but the feeling's right. Fixing steel before the ride. Every bolt, every sound gets us rolling down the ground. Turn the spanner, take the time. Machine rider, fall in line, working on thunder.
So just unloading me side boxes. That's my homemade lifting jig. Keeps the bike quite sturdy when it's been lifted. There's some straps. Jam checker flag when they get new bikes. They held on with those, so I've grabbed a couple of the good ones left, so I'm eventually going to put a rack on the top of my back box, which is in behind there, and then there'll be my straps to hold stuff down. Raincoat, hat, suspension pump, I'll check that as well. Then I've got my extension pole for the 360, padlock, pump, and various cloths. Don't need that in there. Oh no, I've got to cut the bottle openers, giveaways, part. Yeah, so I'll get that box off and give it a good clean.
Fixing steel before the ride. Every bolt, every sound gets us rolling down the ground. Turn the spanner, take the time. Machine rider, fall in line, working on thunder, getting her right. Ready to roll through the fading light. Miles of road waiting out there, winning a helmet, cool Cornish air. Working on thunder, one bolt at a time. Soon we'll be chasing that wide road line.
Yeah, just checking the belt. Quick look at the pulley. All seems fine. Been getting a weird noise from under here, but can't seem to hear it at the minute. All sump's all good. Touch connection fine. I need to get that off. Give that a clean up. Thank you, Larry. So I'm just putting the ICU back on. I tightened up the battery. It's all the cables for the in-ear camera. I'm sure the position of that's my sensor under there that does the key fob. I'm sure that should be there, and that's too close to there. That might be affecting it. When I get more time I might move that. But yeah, got to brush out, give it a bit of a clean in here. I'll get all those cables tidied away. So that's got to be the aerial plug and the cable for the rear fender. One day I'm going to take this off. Don't think it's major, but yeah, I haven't got time at the minute, and I might look at taking this off at the minute. I don't use that. So yeah, 2 little screws down there. Might remove that. So whilst removing it, I found another issue. So these plugs that push back in, you need a special tool to take them off. There's 3. Just look, that one there, that's never been put back in. It's been banging on that. I don't know. So that's not right. Oh dear. Only one garage took that off. Yeah, that's that removed, just 2 bolts. But yeah, that's not right. Fuck's sake. So I'll fix that. Yeah, so don't know if you can see, I've got the bit out, so the middle pops out, and then that goes in there. So you have to pop the middle out to get them out. That wasn't done. So yeah, managed to get it out. I'll line it up, clean it up, but Jesus, the bodywork's all peeling here. It's all rusting. Oh. So that's not supposed to be exposed there. How can that rust? Oh well. So there you go, fitted as it should be. Thank you very much, you know who. So yeah, just give that a good wash down. So I'm gonna spray it some ACF 50 while I got it apart. Done exhaust, everything.
Drive belts turning, steel runs true. Every mile begins with
Alright,
workshop
ready for the wash down.
playing slow. Coffee cool